This is The Flowing River. It's a rote song, so we're going to learn it by memorizing the patterns. It uses fifths, which mean you play 5 and 1 with 3 notes in between. You're going to start with both hands as A on the lowest note. Then it's going to move down to G, F, and then back up to A. It's going to take that pattern and do it a couple of different ways. I'm going to hold down the pedal so it makes more of a flowy sound, and I'm going to lift up the pedal every time I switch notes so it doesn't get too mushy. Here's the whole song, The Flowing River.